That's 2 last spins in a row. Alright guys, I'm at Palazzo. I got 107 in this 5-line double gold. Let's see if we can fit something on it. I rarely ever hit anything on machines that sound like that. That style, that doom doom doom. It's so hard to hit on for some reason. Prove me wrong, double gold. That's what I'm hearing in my head is this. You can't win. You can't win. Oh, we won. Good. It only pays 40 for double mixed. It's crazy. All right. Prove me wrong. Color match it. Do it. All right, I'm pulling your handle. There. Whoops, that didn't work. All right, we'll just hit the button then. All right. It's letting us play. I'll give it that. Maybe it's turning over a new leaf. Double, double, double. You should have been a 7 over there. Oh, that purple. We need the purple. Well, that keeps happening. That single bar don't want to show up in the third. Now it does. There we go. Nice little win. Get some red 7s. Or purple. The purples are beautiful. I want 3 double purple. Do it. Those are like yellow and white. They're supposed to be orange. to it. Yawn. Alright guys, that was 5-reel double gold from Palazzo. It let us play a little longer than I expected it to, so I can't complain. Alright, thanks for watching.
Alright guys, I'm at the Venetian. I got $106 in this beautiful triple red hot Wheel of Fortune. Look how big those sevens are. It's only a $2 max bet, but I just really wanted to play it because I've never seen it before. Never seen that, have y'all? Oh, it's sizzling. Sizzling red hot. Yeah, I mean, this is just new. Gotta play a new one, right? Oh, it's not triple. I gotcha. Not triple red hot, just red hot. Come on. That would be $2,005,025. The 3 of these. That's the jackpot. I'd take that. arm. Come on. It's got red hots and sizzling. The sizzlings are not sizzling, they're blue. I don't get it, but I like it. Going fast for $2 a spin, isn't it? Going fast. Don't make me pull your arm. Come on now. There it is. About friggin' time, right?
We're going to the bonus game.
Okay, let's go up here.
Come on, big money.
Congratulations. What a spin.
Yeah, that was
Thank you for playing Wheel of Fortune.
Wheel of Crapdom, right? Wheel of less than mediocrity. Wheel of crud. Y'all get the idea. Wheel of Fortune. That's 2 last spins in a row. All right, well.
Congratulations. You have won a spin.
Hard to
of
do
the
worse
wheel.
than 20, 25, but you can. There's one up there.
This could be a big one.
Congratulations. Thank you for playing Wheel of Fortune.
Wheel of Crapdom. I have no comment on that, guys. You already know. You already know how I feel about that. Nonsense. Okay, come on. I want some 7s. I don't even care about the stupid wheel. Give us some of those. I want something that looks pretty. 3 sizzlings or 3 red hots. we do better than 25 is the
Let's
question.
spin the wheel.
Come on, big money.
Well done. Thank you for playing Wheel of Fortune.
Not saying a word. I kind of knew we'd get that 20. Don't give me any more wheels. Give me that, yeah. Line it up with something. Let's get red hot with sizzlings. We did not want your wheel. I thought we'd get it again. Let's do one. All right, I'll leave that 45 cents for someone else. That was triple red hot, sizzling Wheel of Fortune something, whatever. I had fun. We got some wheel spins. They were terrible, but still, it's nice to play something new. Thanks for watching, guys.